I'm Davey, and in this tutorial you will learn how to input data and store it in a file. Select the data edit symbol, a pencil, at the top of the screen. Select Enter New Data. Here we have a table of values from an experiment showing how the resistance of a thermostat changed with the temperature. The temperature starts at 40 and increases by 10 for each reading, so it can be calculated. And you only have to type in the resistance, the Y values. So input Y values, select input Y values, the X step is 10 and the initial X value is Y. The name for X is temperature and the name for Y0 is resistance. The Y-axis caption is resistance ohms. The graph title is negative temperature coefficients. You can choose names you want they will be displayed on the graph, so choose meaningful ones. Now for the data. Select the next. BridPlot has already filled in the first value for you. Temperature as 40. All you have to do is enter the corresponding value for resistance. Select Add Line. The two values go into the dataset, and BridPlot updates the temperature value. Enter the value for resistance and add line, and the next values. The list of values added is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Remember to select Add Line when you have entered each resistance value correctly. When you have entered all your data, select Save. Choose the name of your data file. I will call the file NTC for negative temperature coefficients. Now we are back at the main menu. Select Scattergram to see what the data looks like. You can edit your data if you have made any mistakes, but it all looks good here. BridPlot displays data on a graph scaled to fit the values. You will notice the title, axis and key are labelled with the names I entered earlier. Now it gets interesting. You can see from the graph that it looks as though there is some mathematical relationship between temperature and resistance. BridPlot can help you investigate. Select the settings icon at the top of the screen. A straight line fit is not too good. What about a quadratic function? That seems a decent fit. If you look in the key box at the bottom left of the screen, you can see the equation of the function which BridPlot has calculated. In my next tutorial, you will learn how to enter more than one set of Y values.